Hello and welcome. In this video, I'm going to present my Python currency converter app, built using custom tkinter, which makes converting currencies fast and simple. The app features a clean, modern interface with a dark mode by default. At the top is the title bar, followed by an input field to enter the amount you want to convert. You can select the source and target currencies from these drop-downs. And swap them instantly using the swap button. Let's try converting 100 USD to ENR. Enter the value, choose the currencies, and click the Convert button. The converted result is displayed here, and you can quickly copy it to your clipboard with this button. Each conversion is saved into a history file, along with the date and time. You can view your recent conversions in a separate history window, accessible with this button. This way, all your past conversions are safely recorded. The app has a real-time clock, updating every second, and a toggle to switch between light and dark modes for better visibility. A complete, user-friendly currency converter with history tracking, clipboard support, theme modes, and a live clock, built entirely with Python. Thanks for watching.